Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101. And listen, it is date night. It's Friday night and me and the fiance are going out to eat. The place we're going is actually literally in our neighborhood and they're so good. It's within walking distance from our home, but we haven't been in a while. And I also have recently heard that they have like this amazing crab dip, and I never saw it on the menu, so I'm excited, super excited to try it. And yeah guys, I have on my little sexy dress today, honey. So then I just have my hair half up, half down, some earrings, pink lip, pink dress. Yeah, so I'm ready guys, I'm ready, and I will see y'all when we get there. Guys, so we are gonna try the crab dip that everyone has been raving so much about. Oh my god. I wanna make sure you guys can see. I don't know if you can, but y'all, this is so good. Literally so good. And our pizza just came. Thank you.
I appreciate that. Thank you. Hope y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Okay guys, so the pizza just arrived as well, and we got the rancher, which has like pepperoni, smoked applewood bacon, red sauce, and parmesan, and a house blend cheese, and a house ranch as well. So we're getting ready to try that. I want this middle piece.
Okay. I'll take that piece.
Okay. Want to put it on your plate?
Alright, thank you.
Absolutely. Is there anything else we need? Or we all set?
No, I'm good.
I think that's it for now.
Great, y'all enjoy.
Thank you. Really good, guys. Absolutely amazing. We'll be back after we eat. Hi guys, so we made it back from Poor House. I hope you guys could hear me in the video. But just so you know, the pizza that we got was called the Rancher, and it had like ranch on it. It had pepperonis, applewood smoked bacon, red sauce. Yeah, so the whole shebang. But anyways, me and the fiance, we are back home. We getting ready to watch The Dirty D on Peacock. And I got my glass of wine. So we're getting ready to enjoy the night. And I will see y'all tomorrow because I'm actually going to a 99 and 2000 party. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, pure. Hi guys, so listen, it is now Saturday. So yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday, and I was telling you guys that I'm going to a 99 to 2000 party. So y'all, I'm fit ready. I'm about to let y'all see my outfit, and I gotta get out this door because y'all know how it is, be running behind. But I'm dressed, and I want y'all to see my outfit before I leave out, and hopefully I can get some footage while I'm in there. I'm gonna try to do my best. If not, I'll see y'all on the next video, but stay tuned. Let's look at the outfit, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here is my outfit. I have on a fanny, a denim skirt. So the front is like a skirt, and the back is like shorts. I have on my Welcome Back to the 90s hat. I got on my slouch socks with my chucks. Yes, the big old hoop earrings. I was going to do my hair upwards, but you know, like with some bow wraps and stuff, but it's all good because I wanted to wear my hat. So the outfit is outfitting, y'all. It's outfitting. Yes, welcome back to the 99 to 2000s. Anyways, y'all, stay tuned and hopefully I can get some footage, but stay tuned. I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back to Erica Rhennae 101, and today is Sunday. I actually just came back from church, so I still have on my church clothes. But I wanted to just come in today, say happy Sunday, and I wanted to cook Sunday dinner with you all. So, what's on the menu, you say? We have ribs, and I'm going to do some mac and cheese as well. I probably won't do it the traditional way today, guys, for my mac and cheese. I'll probably just do the box and just kind of doctor it up a little bit. If you guys want to see me actually make my mac and cheese, look at the previous video and you will see me do the traditional mac and cheese. I'm going to be doing some collard greens today, and I may not be doing that the traditional way today. I may just do the canned. It's really just depending on how I feel. Today is a little bit more of a relaxation type of day, but I still want to make sure that I cook something. So let's go ahead and get ready. My hands are already pre-washed. The ribs are already pre-washed, and the membrane has already been pulled off as well. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I kind of have you guys tilted downwards just so that you guys can kind of focus on the ribs. And what we're going to first start off by doing is seasoning. And I have my seasonings of choice here. So I have some garlic powder, onion powder, Tony Saturated seasoning, some Sazon seasoning, some thyme and pepper. And I also have some steakhouse seasoning as well, and oxtail seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and season, and I'm going to season on both sides. And I'm just going to start with my oxtail seasoning. Now I know this is not oxtails of course, but I still like to use it even when I'm just making my ribs because I just love the taste of oxtail seasoning. So we're just going to just literally just go ahead and get this nice and seasoned. And I'm also going to put brown sugar on this as well. And a little black pepper. Some thyme. I normally use the fresh thyme, but I don't have any today, so I'm just going to use the dry seasoning thyme. Tony Saturated, and we're going to go in with our garlic and onion powder. Okay, and onion. So you want to do this on both sides because you want to make sure it's seasoned well. And what I like to do once I get my seasoning on it is go ahead and rub it into the meat because you want to get that seasoning all up in the crevices. You want to get it on the corners, the outside, all up in there. So I am just seasoning it on up, y'all. And then once I do that, I'm going to flip that over and I'm going to rub this side on. Nice and easy. Alright, now we're going to flip over and we're just going to go ahead and do the other side the same way. One second, let me wipe my hands. Alright, and we're just going to season on the other side as well. Now, I like my ribs with a bit of a vinegary taste, so I am going to add vinegar. But today, I'm actually going to do this in a pressure cooker. And what I'll do is once I take it out of the pressure cooker, I'm going to add it back into this dish. And I'm going to glaze it with that barbecue. And I'm going to put it in the oven for like an additional 20 minutes just so it can get nice and caramelized on it. And you guys will see the end results. And we love us some sticky barbecue ribs in this house, so we are excited. And like I said, guys, I just came from church, so I'm really feeling good. The word was amazing, and I'm happy to kind of be able to do this with you guys today as well. And I hope that you guys have had a great and amazing Sunday as well. And as you guys can see, I have just seasoned this rib really well. Really well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead over to the pressure cooker and we're going to put it inside. Alright guys, so here's the pressure cooker, here's the ribs. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place them into the pressure cooker and just put it into a U type of shape. And I'm going to add the other one on the other side. So just like that. And I'm going to grab little solution here. What this is just water and bouillon. I normally use a beef one, but I don't have it, so chicken stock is going to have to work today. And I'm just going to pour that right in the middle. Okay, I'm also going to add in some Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just going to dab it all over, just dab it. I'm also going to add in some apple cider vinegar, guys. This is going to be delicious. I just add this up in there. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it in here. I'm probably going to just put it on poultry on the 25-minute setting. And I'll probably have to do it both times. So about 50 minutes in the pressure cooker. And I'll be right back.